what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and this is Erwin Mercado. For the video for today is gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong video. At samahan nyo ako at tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-replace ng battery ng Nissan Patrol. So guys, samahan nyo ako. So as you can see guys, nasa loob tayo. And lalabas tayo and then actually naka-ready na yung sakyan niya. So ayan. Papalitan natin yung battery niyan and then naka-ready na rin yung tools and everything. There you go. Ayan, naka-ready na yan. So guys, panoorin nyo paano mag-replace ng battery ng Nissan Patrol. So sa mga makakapanood at magkaroon kayo ng idea. So guys, simulan na. Alright guys, first step, what you have to do is use the spanner number 10 or socket range number 10 to remove the bracket of the battery. Alright, as you can see guys, we have two bolts over there, so you have to remove this one, okay, to bring it out the battery. First bolts, right, to remove that. Alright, and second bolts. Alright, yeah, and after that guys, when the bracket is already lost at kailangan nyo siyang tanggalin using the number 10 spanner. Okay, there you go. Remove it. And second thing is what you have to do is to remove the negative. Okay, keep it on the side. And the second one, you have to remove the positive terminal. And make sure once you remove the negative terminal or positive terminal, it was on the proper place. It will not touch any part of the body of the car, especially it is a positive, so it will create some problem or some electricity problem if you're going to remove that. So make sure you will place on the right place like that. Okay, it will not touch the side of the part of the car, right? Remove the cover and then we can remove it directly the battery. There you go. Right now we have a battery right now here. It's already ready. Okay, we're going to put it on this car. There you go. Guys, okay, ready to replace the battery. Go. First, the positive one. Whatever you removed before, this is the one you have to put it back. Okay. And then it. The bracket. So guys, huwagan lang lang siya ng konti para at least finish na ito sa loob kasi hindi tayo nahirapan. So find out the hole, the hook. You have a hook from there, right? now, nasa atin yung key. I-try na natin siya kung gagana. Alright. 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 So guys, samahan nyo ang start. Kung gagana ba ang sasakyan after the battery replacement. There we go. Okay. Tap the key. Press the brake. Alright. So successful lang battery replacement natin. So yun. So yun guys, sa mga walang idea how to replace the battery of Nissan Patrol. So yun lang, ganun lang siya kadali. So sana nag-enjoy tayo sa video natin. And nagkaroon kayo ng konting idea how to replace the battery of Nissan Patrol. Okay guys, pasensya na kung medyo magulo yung camera natin and wala tayong cameraman. And sana nagkaroon kayo ng konting idea. Ayun lang, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood and see you there to my next videos. Bye bye!